So happy for Shah Rukh and Gauri because every child for a parent is so special, and it's a tough world out there. And
So what's the deal? Like the two of you have refused to be cast without each other? Like
हाँ
Karan
हम
Arjun.
acting हम acting का बाज मुस्तान है.
How is it to play like the baddest guy around?
playing a good guy always is kind of boring after a point. I've seen when my career went down the hill, and then when I came back, and I'm glad experiences like that make you not get carried away.
How do you keep a straight face with his lines?
Exactly.
नहीं ये बल्कि ये हंसाता है, ये हंसता नहीं है, बहुत सही है ये.
ये हंसाता है.
जोक मार के छोड़ देगा. और आप अभी जोक लेके बैठे हो और सीन एक्शन हो गया और आप लगे पड़े हो सीन के अंदर, हंसी रोक रहे हो.
ट्रेलर में था?
हाँ.
सब था?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि बहुत ही कमाल का सरप्राइज मिलने वाला है, उसके काफी मीम्स बनेंगे.
I am sitting with the bads of Bollywood. Let's start with honesty, guys. What was it before the asterisks?
Bads. It was Untitled before, and then we called it the Bads of Bollywood.
Okay, interesting.
It makes this badge look more interesting.
Yeah.
I love it. I love
Yeah.
it. I just want to say it's so fun. And let me just say, I'm sitting with Raghav, Anya, Seher, Laksh, and above all, Bobby Deol. जैसे कि फिल्मों के टाइटल में होता था and above all. So I want to start by just asking you the real question, which is, listen, he's the nicest person in the world.
Yeah.
And now he's in his villain era. Okay? How unbelievable it is right now for me, because I watched Bobby Deol when he first debuted, all right? And he's the nicest, sweetest person. How is it to play like the baddest guy around? Are you enjoying this villain phase, this villain era?
I think it's always interesting to play characters which have more grayer shades to it, because it makes it more challenging, and it is out of your comfort zone, and also it's you don't get bored.
Absolutely.
Playing a good guy always is kind of boring after a point, and also when you see a film, I always used to think that when I watched the film, what did I take back from the film?
Sure.
And it used to be these characters, not the main star cast, but the characters which made the whole film also interesting, come alive.
Yeah.
So then in this second phase of my career, I decided that I want to do things like that. And I was very lucky because I got parts like that, and like I thanks to, I give him all the credit, Prakash Ji, for making me play the Baba in Ashram. So it was something that no one expected. And eventually things changed, and the magic of silver screen, obviously, OTT platform is something is very special to my heart, very close to my heart, because it gave me these opportunities to play different characters. But the magic of silver screen is something else.
Absolutely.
And Animal changed the world for me. It took me a very long time to come to terms with the fact that things have changed. I couldn't believe it, because I've seen how it was when I started my career. I've seen when my career went down the hill, and then when I came back, and so actually it made me more. I'm glad experiences like that make you not get carried away.
So true.
Because I've seen a lot of people I've worked with in my career. From the beginning, they were different, and then they changed because the stardom got to them. And that's one thing I always tell every young actor, that don't let that happen to you.
So true.
Because at the end of the day, you are what you are because of the love of the people. You're not bigger than that.
So
And
true. So true.
so I'm very glad, and I'm here excited, sitting with you talking about bads of
I
Bollywood.
know. What are the chances? How
I know.
amazing.
For me, it is the most special project it'll ever be in my career. There is Dil Lagi, definitely, when my brother directed me for the first time, and my first film. But this is one of them now, because it's Aryan Khan directing it, and what a child. I call him a child because he's like a child to me, but what an amazing director.
How beautiful. Thank you so much for that.
He is, we've all experienced it, all of us sitting here in front of you today, that his conviction, his honesty, his fire, his obsession, his ability to listen, because there's something no one does.
Yeah.
No one listens. They only want to be heard. But he would listen to us and make it easier for us to be understood as actors. and he made us do a lot of takes which we make fun of because कुछ तो मजाक निकालना चाहिए हमको हमारे
Of course.
पूरे इस Bads of Bollywood की जर्नी में.
Yeah.
लेकिन जिस तरह उसने हमारे साथ काम करवाया, he knew there was something in us which he could, you know, get out.
Yeah.
And he did that. All of us went through the same thing.
Process.
Yeah.
How lovely.
And for him to be so mature to understand my character, because I'm playing a father.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, to understand these characters, I mean, they're younger.
Closer to his age, of course.
They're his
yeah.
age group. But to understand all the characters in the film and get those emotions correctly
Yeah.
is just something so special. There's something so special about Aryan, and makes me feel very proud that of being a part of this, and makes me feel like so happy for Shah Rukh and Gauri, because every child for a parent is so special, and it's a tough world out there, and
It's a bad world.
yeah, it is.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
But I'm just so happy.
Thank you. Thank you for starting us off in such a beautiful and real note, because it's आपने सही कहा, अक्सर इस इंडस्ट्री में लोग भूल जाते हैं that they need to keep their feet on the ground and the head in the clouds. The two of you, I have a bone to pick with y'all. एक साल पहले मैंने बोला था,
यही थी बात वो जिसको हम दबा रहे
यही
थे.
थी वो बात जो अब जाके इतनी वायरल हो गई है. I don't know how. I just talked about Shah Rukh in our interview when you guys interviewed for Kill, you remember?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And maybe it was telepathy, or maybe I'm just damn good. I'm the goods.
The latter.
The goods of Bollywood. ऐसे होगा if you make that. But here we are a year later and it's happened. So what's the deal? Like the two of you have refused to be cast without each other? Like what's the deal?
हाँ
Karan
हम-
Arjun.
इसके पास मेरी कुछ वीडियोस
हम
हैं.
एक्टिंग का बास मुस्कान है.
Oh my
हम
god.
साथ में ही मिलते हैं
Oh
और
my god.
थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं कि अगर पैकेज
Discounted
में लोगे
price
तो
पे आ जाते
डिस्काउंट
हैं.
भी मिलेगा आपको ऐसा.
I love the fact that you play Asman and you're like this star. But I love the fact that the lines are yours. Huh?
हाँ.
है ना? You are having a lot of fun.
I'm having a lot of fun.
Yeah, you're just like, हाँ भाई तू हीरो बन ले, यहाँ पर मैं ये लाइन मारूंगा.
तू आसमां हवा में बादल होंगे घूमूंगा.
क्या बात है. और जैसे कि जाकिर खान ने कहा था दोस्तों, बादल important है. This is amazing. Hi ladies.
Hello.
Anya, I must say that it's been a pleasure to watch you do the movies.
Thank you.
Like you were fat even in Kho Gaye Hum Kahan.
Thank you so much.
What happened? You're not.
How dare the attention be taken away?
Oh, is it that? Is
No,
it
no,
that? No, I love it. I want to ask the two of you, coming into a world where you're going to play these sort of, I mean, we're all playing somebody who nobody wants to name. That's fine. Which is okay. But how did you feel like being cast in something that you may not have had the experience of so far in your career? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, these are not your experiences. So how did he direct you into being these people? Could you give us an insight into that?
I think, and everyone concurs with this, Aryan is and was very clear of his vision, and just the way he would tell the story, you were so taken in, and you knew exactly, because he would relay his thoughts so well to you that it was very easy in terms of execution as an actor, as an artist. There was no, even if there was confusion, or if you had a different perception or outlook towards the scene or a dialogue, it was always open to conversation. It was not just shut off ki maine aise likha hai to aap aise karoge. It was,
Yeah.
oh, you know, that's interesting actually, that take, or it doesn't work because of this. So you were made to understand also, because as artists you do have opinions, you do have ideas, you do want someone to hear you, like Sir always says, and it's nice when your director is respectful of that and is open to the communication that you have to give, or the ideas you have to give. And I feel a lot of the improv that came was only because he allowed it. He allowed us to be like, karo, whatever you want to do, karo. That faith he had in us, and we had that blind faith in his direction.
और हमने किया basically.
और हमने किया.
No, but
I'm
also,
very jealous of you.
no,
Sorry,
but
sir.
also he really, you know, was so focused about things that we used to come to his office and rehearse the scenes like 3 days prior to the shoot.
Okay.
And he wanted all the actors to come. Some of them made excuses. Not you. I'm talking about you know, but
I don't know.
Clearly, we
but
know the one.
no, but it was just everybody's busy. But for me, it was like my own child, and I just wanted to be there for him. And I think
Okay.
all of these guys are really very dedicated and very disciplined about their work. So we all used to come and do these rehearsals, and it made our job much more easier when we
Easier.
were on set.
Yes, yes.
And I think that process of his is just, it was really good because you don't think like that, you know. In Hamare to yeah, but every director is
His
different
own
from
process. Yeah, of
So,
course.
but that was nice, and yes, he made us. I mean, he was just amazing. I don't know. Let others speak now.
Of course.
I can't stop
No,
talking
don't
about
worry.
him. So
But Seher, I was actually going to say I'm so jealous of you because you play his daughter. And in no way do I want you to be my father. But I'm just saying, Bobby जी, अगर आपसे कोई भी रिश्ता बनता हम fans का तो हमें बड़ा मजा आता. What was that equation like? Because hey man, it's fun, yeah, to think of Bobby Deol being like there to take care of you.
Yes.
You know?
So actually, I've met Bobby sir a couple of years back when I was
Of
shooting
course.
for my first film.
Yes.
We met briefly in Manali, and I just remember just everybody, just Deol's just being so emotional, and they're people who think
Yeah.
from their heart.
Yeah.
And I'm still very much in touch with Sunny sir. I remember when Aryan told me that Bobby sir is going to be playing my father, I was very excited, and I went and met him when he was there at Red Chilli's office. And of course, I've admired his work. And to be able to share screen space with a veteran like him, I think it's a dream come true, and it's a lot of learning.
Yeah.
And I'm just very fortunate to have.
Yeah, the
had
nicest
this
guy to have
opportunity.
is your father. Just let me tell you. I mean, I've not even acted with him. I've just, it just worked around him, and it's been a pleasure. I thought it'll be fun for us guys to ask you some fun questions.
Yes.
He will play the judge.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
nice.
Nice. Are you ready? Okay, so you have to point to the person, not to yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Who is most likely to forget their lines on set? Anya.
I don't forget. I fumble. And you know what Laksh would do? So he'd come to me, and if I rehearsed a line, he'd be like, fumble maregi.
Pakka
And you
मारेगी.
would just put it in your head.
And I would inevitably fumble. And I'd just be like, stay away, yaar. Just stay away.
Cute as hell. Thank you for the honesty. Burst out laughing during a serious scene.
हम मतलब
I've laughed
मैं भी हंसा
during,
हूँ एक बार.
yeah.
Scene.
There were lots
How
of
do you
scenes.
keep a straight
वाले
face with
Exactly,
his lines?
exactly.
नहीं ये बल्कि ये हंसाता है सर, ये हंसता नहीं है, बहुत सही है ये.
yes, आता है.
जोक मार के छोड़ देगा और आप अभी जोक लेके बैठे हो और सीन एक्शन हो गया और आप लगे पड़े हो सीन के अंदर, तो हंसी रोक रहे हो अपने.
Okay, I love it. Most likely to be found dancing randomly even when cameras are not rolling.
I would imagine Raghav, but I don't know.
हाँ, कर सकता
कर
हूँ.
सकता
Why
है.
ये
not,
कर सकता
yeah?
है. He's capable of it,
Why
but we
not?
never saw that
In
really.
जैसे
slow
बात
mo.
सीरियस बात चल रही तो बीच में ऐसे सीरियस ही है.
Who is the most natural flirt on set?
Natural flirt.
Yeah.
Natural flirt.
मतलब teacup है लेकिन teacup से भी
I think Jay was
because I know Jay, I'm going to show him this. This is fun.
You know, Jay.
Okay. To cry while watching a Bollywood emotional scene.
ओह
अच्छा.
सब रोते हैं.
सब रोते हैं.
मेरा तो बहुत ज्यादा सब
सर रोने
के
तो सर
बहुत
मतलब
ज्यादा
सर के
हूँ.
जल्दी निकल जाता है वैसे, मतलब
Yeah, I get it.
नहीं इमोशनल भी है, मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि रहा इमोशन में.
So cute. I love it. Most likely to accidentally give a plot twist or a
Oh.
spoiler during promotions.
ये मैं हूँ.
ये हम सभी हैं, हम इसे रोक के बैठे
इसको रोक के हाँ, पर इसको बहुत रोकना पड़ रहा है.
हाँ.
No, oh no.
But sometimes when you
मैं
do
वो
so
वाला-
many interviews, you don't realize that do we have to say it or not. Because you suddenly get tired speaking.
He's the
मैं
most
वो वाला
honest guy
बंदा
in
हूँ
the
जो
world.
पिक्चर देखने के बाद बोलता है कि मर्डर काजोल थी.
आप ही की गलती सर.
Very true.
All right. We made t-shirts.
Yeah,
That said
yeah.
Kajol is the killer.
Yeah,
It was good fun.
Yeah.
This is not about you, but
Okay.
about all of the 100 people in the show, which I can't wait for the cameos. But who is most likely to become a meme after this series releases?
Manojji's character,
Mm-hmm.
second can be Raghav's
Raghav's
character, third can be mine, and Sir's.
You know, and also there's one character which they haven't seen.
ओ नहीं, वो प्रोमो में जब देखा है ना
हाँ,
नहीं।
Dead,
ट्रेलर में था ना.
ट्रेलर में था?
हाँ हाँ.
सब था?
था?
ट्रेलर में था ना,
नहीं,
उसका शॉर्ट आया था ना.
I know. I think I know.
ट्रेलर में
एक बहुत
शक्ल तो
कमाल का
दिखाई है ना उनकी
बहुत
यार.
कमाल का
नहीं
surprise
दिखा.
है.
वो वहाँ से नहीं बोल रहे.
वो
हाँ,
वो तो नंबर 1 वाला.
वो तो
राघव,
मीम का बादशाह
you were
बनेगा.
saying.
टेलीपैथी चल रही है.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि बहुत ही कमाल का सरप्राइज मिलने वाला है. उसके काफी मीम्स बनेंगे.
अच्छा.
Hmm.
I can't wait. I
Yeah.
can't wait. The first Bollywood dialogue you ever mimicked as a kid?
Dawn.
Love it. Love it.
With a echo.
With the echo, yeah. Anya, a Bollywood film that you can watch 100 times and never get bored.
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Nice. Deep pleasure Bollywood song that you secretly love.
Chunari, chunari.
Oh,
I
that's
love it.
lovely.
Yeah.
That's lovely. If you had to do a dance off with Govinda, which song would you pick?
बहुत सारे हैं यार, एक कौन सा था यार? Give me a couple of songs.
मेरा प्यार का रस नहीं चखना ओए
Oh,
मखना
हाँ,
ओए
that song.
मखना
And his entry in आँखों से गोली मारे.
And for Bobby, sir, if there was one film, that you could redo all over again, your own film, which would it be and why?
I can't think of anything that can be redone because I simply believe that's the destiny of what I did and what it became.
Of course.
In that
No,
way,
redo not to better it. Redo because you want to relive the experience of making it. It was so much fun.
oh, so much fun. I mean, Dads of Bollywood.
Yeah.
I seriously enjoyed being a part of it.
I love it. I love
No, I mean it. It's a special film for me.
So season 2.
Oh,
Stay
he's saying
tuned.
everything.
Netflix.
On Netflix.
190
190
countries.
countries.
This is one of those titles that I've been wanting to talk to you guys about since the day like the first asset of this dropped. And इसे कहते हैं manifestation. Because you work hard and you get what you want because manifestation works like that. But each of you, and I must say, are testaments to that thing that I just said. Because each of you are here because of the years of work that you've put in and the stuff that you've been good at, which is why today you're in Bads Bollywood.
Wow.
So thank you so much for
Thank
speaking to
you.
me.
Thank you.
It was so much fun and I wish you luck. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.